Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smashers. So viewers, in this video I will show you how you can make your own crypto trading website with Binance PHP script. So viewers, watch this video till the end, and in this video first of all I will guide you about this website, then I will show you how you can control this website, then we will install this Vinance script on our hosting, and I will show you how you can make this kind of site within just 15 minutes. So viewers, let's start our video without wasting much more time. And first of all, you can look at its amazing home page that is completely changeable. So viewers, first of all I will guide you on demo, then we will create our own website. So I am using this for demo, and then we will create our own website at the end. So viewers, here you can see there is option to sign up, so you can create your account on the website. Here you can see that there are different options, so you can turn this dark mode on off from here. So it's very amazing look of dark mode. If you want to turn it on off, you can do it from here. So I will use it in white mode here. Here you can also insert blogs on the website, so you can see the latest blogs on the website. You can see different crypto pairs on this website. In this section here you can see 5 pairs, and here you can see the crypto pairs over here on your website. So viewers, this is why to use Binance. So let me tell you that you can change the name of this website to any of the name you want. You can also change the logo as well. So here you can see how you can invest in Binance, sign up to Binance, verify your KYC, deposit crypto and trade crypto on this. Here in this Binance trading website, you will also get the features like P2P trading as well. It's completely similar to Binance. If you want to create a website like Binance, then you are on the right video. Binance is the best solution to make a website like Binance crypto trading. So here you can see different crypto pairs on their website. You can see ultimate products, frequently asked question section, so you can list these things from admin panel. Here you don't need any coding knowledge to control this website. Each and everything is controllable from admin. So viewers, if you want to buy this script from us, to contact us on WhatsApp. You will get this on 50% discount from us. So if you need the script of the website, do contact us, and if you need the complete end-to-end ready-made website, we will build this site for you. And if you need any type of website, you can contact us, you can trust us, and we will build what you want. So viewers, let's move towards our next part. Here you can see you can go to spot trading, or you can go to P2P selling option here. Here by clicking cryptocurrencies, you will be redirected to cryptocurrencies page. So this is a cryptocurrency page. You can see all the cryptocurrencies on the website, and you can see their prices over here. Here when you click on about, it will redirect you to about page. So this is the about page of your website. Here is a contact page. So using this page, you can contact the admin of the website. If you want to change the language of your website, you can do it from here. You can insert any language you want. So viewers, now let's go to our dashboard. So as I already logged into my dashboard, so I will just go to my dashboard here. So this was because I was already logged in, but you have to create an account and log in similarly like we do it. So here you can see that this is our dashboard. It has a very amazing look. You can see over here, you can see your open orders, completed order, cancel order, total trades, and here you can see your total balance, and you can see all your wallets over here in this section. Ethereum wallet, BTC wallet, and all other wallets you can see over here in this section. So XRP coin and all other wallets are here. Similarly like Binance, you can trade your crypto like here. Here is deposit money. You can deposit money using any of the gateway you want. So here there are many gateways, automatic and manual, that are available. You can do deposit and withdraw your money from here. So it's very easy to use and easy to make this kind of site. And at the end I will also show you how we can make this kind of site and how we will host this website. Here you can go to manage orders. So you can manage your open order, completed order, cancel order, all your order history you can see over here. So here you can see your trade history. So you can see all your trade history in this section when you will trade. This is the P2P center option. That is the most important and option in this website. Here viewers, here you can see that you can see all your running P2P trades, completed, cancel, all the P2P options are here. You can see all your running P2P, completed trades, new advertisement, you can list them from here. You can manage advertisement, add payment methods and manage payment methods from here. So here are manage wallet option. So you can manage all your wallets on the website. You can list your wallets from here and you can see all your wallets in this section. Funding and spot wallet both are here. And this is your referral link. You can copy this link and you can also earn money through referral programs. So you can invite your friends and you can earn money through referrals as well. Here is deposit history option. So you can see all your deposit history, withdrawal history. You can see my affiliations. So all the people that you refer will appear over here. So this is a referral section. So here is transaction history. You can see all your transaction history in this section. Here you can generate support tickets from get support, so you can create new ticket from here and contact with the admin if you have any issue with the site. Here from security you can turn on or 2FA authentication and different security options are here. You can turn them on off like Google Authenticator, OTP, etc. And here is logout option. So viewers, now we will go to our admin panel and I will show you how we can control this website from admin panel. The website is completely controllable. Before moving towards our admin panel part, I would request all of you to like the video, subscribe to our channel and also comment your thoughts in the comment box. And now let's move towards our next part, which is exploring the admin panel. And in last part of our video, we will just install the script on our hosting. So viewers, I am on my admin login page. You can see right here I have entered the details. So now when I click on login, it will log me into the admin panel of this website. So here you can see that we have successfully logged into our admin panel and we will explore the complete admin panel and I will show you how we can list the pairs and completely control this website from this admin panel. Here you can see the total users, active users, all the details about the website. You can see over here total cryptocurrencies, P2P completed. Here you can see the latest graphs and you can see different graph summaries, order summaries, deposit summaries and trade summaries over here. So viewers, here you can see the latest notification on the website in this section. And now when you go to manage orders, so you can manage all the orders that are on your website. So click on open orders and here you can see all the open orders that are on your website that are trading on your website. Here you can see different orders of buy and sell over here and you can see similarly all the orders that are open on your website. Similarly you can see order history and trade history in this section. This is the P2P section. So from here you can completely manage all the P2P trades from this section. When I click on running trades, so I can see all the running P2P trades in this section. So you can see all running trades over here and here you can see their details when you click on details and here you can send a message from here and you can see all the details about that trade. So you can see reported trades, completed trades. You can manage ads from here of P2P. So here you can see all P2P ads on this section. Now if you want to create new ad, you can create the buy or sell ad from here and you can see all the ads that are on your website for P2P trading selling. Here you can see their details and you can approve and reject your ads. Here you can see payment window and you can create a payment method from here. So you can create a new payment window from here and here from payment methods you can create a P2P payment method from this section. So just click on new payment method and you can easily create a new payment method for P2P. Similarly, when you go to manage currencies, you can completely manage all the currencies that are on your website. Suppose from here you can list the cryptocurrencies on your website. So you can click on new currency and you can easily list a new cryptocurrency and you can also import currencies from other coin payments or other platforms. Here you can list the fiat currencies. So you can list fiat currencies and you can import fiat currencies from here. From here you can list different pairs. From manage market you can list different markets. Just click on new market and you can create a new market on your website like LTC market, USDT market, USD market, BTC market. From manage coin pairs, let's go to manage coin pairs and here you can create different pairs of different coins. So just click on new pair and you can easily create a new pair from here and you can set charges and whatever you want to set you can set it up from here. So you can also see your coin pair list from this section. Here is manage users, so you can control all the users from this section. You can see active users on your website, and if you want to see the details, you can see their details as well, and you can add balances to their account, and you can subtract balance from their account as well. So similarly like this, you can add and subtract balance, and you can log in as user from here. Similarly, you can send them notification, and you can see all KYC unverified, mobile unverified, email unverified users in this section. From manage referrals, so you can set up different levels of referral from here, how much levels you want to set commission for, so you can set it up from here. Similarly, from deposits, you can approve or reject deposit requests of users. So this is a deposit request section, so when user will request a deposit, the request will be appeared over here, and from here you can approve and reject different deposits of users. So you can approve it or reject it, it completely depends on you. So you can manage all the deposit related activities from here. Here you can manage all the withdrawals on your website. Here when you click on pending withdrawals, so you can see all your pending withdrawals over here in this section, and you can manage all the withdrawal related activities from here. Here you can approve or reject the withdrawal request of user from this section. So viewers, now let's move towards to the other section. So here you can see all the withdrawal related activity. Here is support ticket option, so you can manage all the support tickets from users. Here is a report, so you can see all transaction history, login history, notification history. From system settings, let's go to it, and here let's go to general settings. So you can change the name of website if you want to. Here you can change the currency of website, you can convert it to any currency, time zone, time of format, dark theme, you can also change the light or dark theme from here. Item per pages, you can do it from here, and you can also change the site based colors as well. So let me just go back. Here you can change the logo and favicon of website, so you can easily change the logo and favicon directly from here. And if you want to change it now from system configuration, so you can turn on of different settings such as email verification, KYC verifications, mobile verifications from this section. Here you can manage the notification setting. From payment gateways, you can create payment gateways from here. So these are all automatic payment gateways: coin payments, Payoneer, PayPal, Paystack, Paytm, Razorpay, Skrill, all Stripe payments, all gateways are available, you can use them. So these are all automatic gateways. Now if you want to create a manual gateway, so you can create manual gateway from here. Just go to add new, and by filling these simple details, you can add a new manual gateway on your website. So it is completely simple. So you don't need to worry about anything. If you buy from us, we will provide you complete support where you don't need to worry about anything. We will manage each and everything for you. From withdrawal methods, you can create a withdrawal method. Just similarly click on add new, same like deposit, and you can add a withdrawal method, and user can withdraw using this method. Here you can manage the wallet settings. So here from currency data provider, you can put your API from coin payments or coin other platform, and you can fetch data, live data from those platforms. You can manage the SEO directly from here. Here you can manage the front end of your website. So this is the most important option. As I told you, you can completely edit your home page. So suppose I want to edit any section on my website, so these are all those sections. So if I want to change the P2P banner section, so just click on it, and you can change the P2P banners from here, and text data, whatever is on that page, I can change it. Similarly, you can change the policy pages, and here you can change the policy pages from here. Similarly, registration section, subscriber, banner pages, banner section from here, you can edit it from here, and each and everything is changeable. So you can manage each and everything from this section, as I told you. Now here you can manage pages, KYC setting, social login setting. All these settings are language setting, extension. You can insert live talks from extensions, cron job setting, policy pages, maintenance mode. You can do SEO from here, and this is all about this admin panel, viewers. And here you will get some extra feature like server changing and clearing cache. Now viewers, well, we will move towards the last part of our video, which is making this website and how we will create this kind of site and how to host this script on our hosting. So now I'm going to host this script, and viewers, before moving towards that part, I would request all of you to do subscribe to our channel and like the video, and also do one nice comment on in the comment box. So now let's go and let's make this kind of site. So viewers, to install this script, Vinance script, first of all you must have to log into respective H panel or C panel that you are using. The installation process will remain the same, either you are doing it on C panel or H panel. So now you have to go to your file manager option over here. So I will go to file manager. So viewers, here you have to go to your public HTML folder. Similarly, if you are doing it in C panel, you have to go to your public HTML. And now I will install it on my subdomain, but you have to do all the work in public HTML. Here you can see that I have already uploaded the Binance latest version script. Now you have to upload script from here, and after uploading it will be appear the same like that. So now we will just extract this file in this root directory. So I'm just extracting all the data inside this host zip file. So you have to wait for its extraction, and here it is extracted successfully, as you can see that. Now there is only one folder inside it, which is files. Now you have to go to inside files folder, and you have to copy all the data into your root directory of your website. So I am copying all the data into my root directory, so it will move all the data over here. Now you have to delete this script from this section. So now just delete this file from here. Now viewers, what you have to do is you have to give some permissions over here. So I will go to core, I will go to bootstrap, and give some permission to cache, and here we'll update it. So after this you have to give permissions to some other folders as well. So go to storage and give permission to storage over here. So after giving permission to storage, we'll just give permission to some other folders here, app folder, and similarly I will just do it quickly. So give permission to framework folder as well, and after that here you have to give permission to logs folder. So all the permissions are okay. Now we will just go to our installer window. So I will open the installer window. So now what you have to do is you have to go to your website from this section, and it will open this installer window. Now what you have to do is you have to click on I agree, next step. All the requirements are passed, click on next step. Here you have to enter your database credentials in order to create the website. So we will go to our databases section. So go to manage, and from here we will just copy our database name, and we will put that over in this section. So here this is our database, I already created it. So now go there, and I will put my database name, username. Here I will enter my host, and here I will enter my password. Then enter your admin credential that you will use to log in. So here I will enter my admin credentials. Now when you click on install, now it will install our script. So now our script has installed, and now when I click on go to, it will create our website. So now just wait for it, and it will create our website. And viewers, here you can see that our website has created successfully, and here you can see that it has deployed, script has deployed on our domain name demo2.scriptsmasher.com. So now this is our newly created website. Now we have to establish pairs and do some settings, and we are good to go, and we can easily use this kind of website. So viewers, in this video I completely guided you about each and everything, and now I also make this website. If you want us to build this site for you, just contact us and we will build this site for you. And if you need the app for this website, we also build the apps, so you can feel free to contact us. And viewers, thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel, and also like the video. And to buy the script, contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram.